Hey everyone, welcome back. And I think I'm live and I am. I just need to figure out how I can put myself in. This looks great. First of all, thank you so much for joining me here today. And if you're watching me right now, please help me understand if my audio good, if my video good, and if I'm audible clearly, because that is very important. And let me take a look at the chats. Okay, perfect. So before I begin, a little about me. So I'm Sohini and I'm at Entando, and today I will, together with you, I will explore how to build and publish a very simple bundle, a very simple one, because this might be very basic, a very beginner thing, but it's important that we know, or especially if one of you is new in here, it's important that they know what exactly a bundle is and how we can build a bundle, so that in the future we can build bundles for React, for Vue, for Angular, if we're building those micro frontends or some microservices, how we can bundle them. But before that, we need to make sure that we know how to build simple ones, so that we can know how to build the complex ones. Of course, nothing is complex, is how to build stuff. So I will begin, but before that, I want to take a moment and share something, and that is, I really tell this to my viewers when I go live, and it is like, if you're here again, if you're watching me live, then I would highly encourage you to use the comment section below on the chats to type in your thoughts, or maybe just drop in a simple hi, so that I know you are here, and so that I know who's watching me, and I can talk to them, and I can just also tell you a hi. And it helps, because interactive sessions are always amazing, because here I can't see you, but you can see me. It's always exciting to also know who's watching me, so that I can interact with that person. And of course, please feel free to use the chats to have any questions or any suggestions or ideas or thoughts that you have, and also to share this stream with your friends who are also interested into modular applications, and who are also interested into how they're built into bundles, and of course the composable world. So yeah, do that, and do show us some support. That would be great. Okay, so now I will share my screen and we can begin. While I'm sharing the presentation, I might not be able to follow the chats, but I will try to do that. But I'll pause and the betweens to check if you have any questions, as I would love to respond to them instantly. Okay, so I will share my screen now. And I think I should be here. Okay, there I am. And now I will just play this. Okay. So as I said, today we're going to learn about how we can build and publish a very simple bundle. So our goal is to start from scratch. We're going to start how we can create it, and then how we can bundle we can create a custom UI, then how we can bundle it, and then how we can publish it. So part of this entire bundling process involves publishing your bundle to GitHub, and then how we can deploy that to the Entando Component Repository, and then how we can use that in our app builder. We'll just go through all of these processes in today's session, and yeah, so that's the first thing. Then just a couple of things before we actually get started. We're building an awesome Discord community, and I think it's very important that if you really like all the stuff that we're doing, or if you really feel excited about all the stuff we're doing, it's really important that you take a first step to come join our Discord community, because we have some awesome stuff in there. We're still growing, so we wanna build a community with the help of all of you, because of course if there is no one, then it's not useful, right? So and it's not possible for Anthony and me to just do cool things. Of course, we need people like you, cool people like you, geeks like you, nerds like you, where we can all together build, create, curate, and compose and consume awesome stuff. And we can also find out what you are, whether you're a creator, curator, composer, consumer, or all of it. So for that, it's important that you join our community and share your thoughts, share what you learn, share if you have to share something that we don't know, or something that would really help us grow and learn. Do that. For that, I will drop the link to Discord on the chats shortly. All I need to do is open my Discord, I think, and I will share the link so that if you're watching me right now, maybe you can just jump in and just drop a hi in our introductions channel. That'll be great. We're still building, as I said, and it's always awesome to have people. Hold on, right? Got it. So we'll go ahead and of course frozen. Okay, here got mask. Okay, and I don't see a link in here. Proper link. Let me just try again. Oh, here it is. I have copied it, and I will share this in here. Okay. I think it's visible, and if you really wish to, you can join from this link that I've shared on the chats. And of course, here we have many channels. You can go inside the introductions channel, and once you pop into our server, you can just go inside this and just introduce yourself and tell us what you do, and tell us what would be all of these from your end. So you can just use this to tell us a bit about yourself. You don't need to type a lot, but just a little description that'll help us know who you are. And yeah, that's all about Discord. Okay, I will not take more time for Discord. So I will close. And okay, back to sharing my screen. Community alerts. So request and invite you all to come and join our community and help us do awesome stuff together. Okay, and then we have to do a little bit of recap of Stream with Anthony. So in the previous stream, Anthony was here and you were composing with Anthony, and I hope that you learned about the application composition platform. And we have also mentioned about the 4 C's, the 4 roles that are involved in the application composition platform while you are creating your application, bundling it. It could be a micro front-end or a microservice, and then how you're publishing it and how you're deploying it. So all of these can be divided into 4 roles. So we've discussed about that. If you haven't checked that out yet, go back to our YouTube channel, check all the videos that we have published, and in there you'll find more about our previous streams and tutorials. So definitely keep a look at it. And Anthony also mentioned about the how the application composition platform works, and I think he also showed a demo about how you can use it. And he mentioned about the usage of it and stuff. So if you want to know more about it, you can just go back to that stream and you can check more about it, and then you can come back to the stream. That's up to you, all yours. Perfect. So we did a recap, and now the question is, what is a bundle? So I know if you're watching this right now, or if you watch it later, this would be your question, like, oh, she's talking about bundle, 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 but what is a bundle? So in a word, or in a very general way, I can say this is the deployment artifact of your application. So that's just the general definition, but the original definition is a bit more, better. It has got a lot of explanation. So an Entando Component Repository, or ECR Bundle, is a package containing one or more components and a descriptor.yaml file providing information about the bundle. So you see here, this descriptor.yaml file is very important because inside of this, whatever we would be writing would be the information that our bundle would use to recognize our code, about where exactly our code resides. So the descriptor.yaml file is a very important thing that we need while we are building our bundle. So, like without it, no bundle. So this is very, very important. And we will see that as we go ahead. While I will create a bundle today, we'll see that. And then the bundle is published on a Git registry and is shared with an Entando application using the Entando debundle custom resource. So this is the very basic definition of what a bundle is. And I will pause here to see if we have any questions on the chats. I think no, we don't have any questions. Perfect. So do let me know if I am clear so far, or if there is anything, or if you have any questions, you can ask that to me. So now, what are exactly the prerequisites that you need to have while you are building a bundle? So prerequisites are nothing. Okay, I think I have a problem with sometimes my keynote doesn't work. Anyway, okay, now it's working. So what I was talking about, the prerequisite. So there is only one prerequisite, and that is to have the end CLI installed. So make sure that you have the end CLI installed. If you haven't, then you can check this resource. Here we have written about how you can install the NCLI, how you can check the environment, how you can update it, and what are the available commands. So you can take a look at it always and how you can set up your project, and we have more information about all the things. So yeah, just take a look at it, and maybe this will be very helpful. So this here is the link to install the Entando CLI, and once you have it installed, you can just check it by typing. See, all of this comes up. So this is exactly what is present here. So it should be similar to this, and you can see it has got list of commands like this, and yeah, and this is very easy to install. So make sure that if you're doing this hands-on, you install it, and you can take a read at what each of these commands do. Okay, with that, now it's time we do hands-on, and we are going to do hands-on, so we're going to start building a bundle freshly. So let's do that. What I will do is I will just minimize, or maybe keep this here, and I'm not sure if my screen is totally visible. So I will just, this might look very short. So, okay. Okay. Well, maybe I can just increase my audio a bit, but I don't see an option to do that. Okay, is it better? No, it's not. Let me just check. Just give me a moment. Maybe I can check what's happening. Oh, I think is it? Am I still not audible? Can someone confirm if I am still? Okay. So I think the problem was maybe because I disabled my video so that you could see the screen. My audio vanished, but I hope. Oh, in that case, whatever I did was not audible at all. I mean, all the steps when we were creating the bundle. That's bad. But so maybe I can just give a recap of what I did. So I created our bundle here. So at first I created I created example bundle directory. Inside it, I created widgets folder, and inside the widgets folder, I created a YAML file. And this YAML file, we added the code, and these are the titles we provided. And we added our custom UI. Custom UI, this is the thing that's going to come up in our page when we put it up, when we drag and drop it from all the widgets. This is the only widget that we're building here. So this is it. And outside of the widgets, we have a descriptor.yaml file that I've created inside the bundle folder. And it's very important that you create this descriptor file with this naming convention only. It should be descriptor.yaml because this is how Entando component repository identifies this. And inside of this, we have added widgets under components where we have added the location where our example widget resides. So we can add more widgets in here if we have more widgets inside of the widget folder. We can also add plugins here. Plugins mostly come up when we work with microservices. So we don't need to do that here. And that's all here. And after this, what we did was we went to I think here. Yes. So we initialized our project. Here so the first step is to initialize your project, where you need to initialize it, and after that you need to create the publication system. To do that, you need to GitHub repository, and I have created a GitHub. Sorry for that. I think here I created this GitHub repository, and I needed its Git URL to create this along with my credentials, namely my ID, user ID and email. It might ask for your password if you haven't used it before. And then it asked for these options, and then it was all set up. And then when I went to npr.jpbs publish, I published the entire bundle. And after doing that, this folder appeared in my GitHub repository. So that is what I typically did. And after that, I deployed it. And here, when I say deploy, we are deploying the bundle to Entando Component Repository. So Entando Component Repository is here. So we need to log to the app builder. This is not Entando Component Repository, of course. The component repository is here, but you need to log into your app builder, and then you can go inside of repository. And since you have deployed it successfully, you should see the example bundle here. And as I wrote, this is a demo that explains a very simple Entando bundle. This description comes up here. This is our version. This is the name of our bundle, and we go and install it here. So that is what we do. And it is installed. Now we will go to pages and management, because now comes the part when we will use this widget in a page. So I'll go to my home page, and here we can create a new page. We can add the title as a demo bundle, and just take a look at the things that have got an asterisk, and maybe that's better to use. I will just create one column and save in design. And then you can see that this has got, this particular page has got many page frames. It has got the logo, navigation bar, search, login. I think Anthony described this very well in the previous stream. So if you're pretty new to this, make sure you go back to the previous stream and take a look at how he did it. So we can go in here and we can drop the widget that we created today in here. So we'll click on user and we can see that we have the example widget. So we will drag and drop it in here. Then we click on publish. You might be wondering what these are. So these are some of the widgets that I built and I forgot to uninstall them. So it appears in here. Now I will go and view our published page. Perfect, we can see it here. So this is the H2 tag that we were using. So do you understand how easy it was? Now, this is just a single widget. So you might be wondering why to work so hard to do it just for one H2 tag or just one fragment. But trust me, you can actually build many stuff with this bundles. Like, let's say this is your page, you can have a login component that's created on top of React, while you can have a chat component that's created on top of Vue.js. So isn't it fascinating? Like, in one single page, you have many bundles. One is created using React, one is created using Vue, one is created using Angular. So it's like, one page has got so many applications in them. I mean, that uses different framework or libraries. I mean, to me, that's the most fascinating part of using bundles and modular applications, and doing this using the application composition platform. So I think this was our project today, and I think we have done it successfully, because normally when I try to do something, it really gives me a hard time. It doesn't work, or it might fail, something or the other happens. And just like today, I was inaudible for a long time, and I didn't know unless Anthony and Brito told me. Hi Brito, thanks for joining in, and hi Anthony, thanks for joining in and helping me with the audio issue. So I will pause here, and maybe I would like to know if there is any question that you would like to ask me, anything. And hold on. Okay, so if we have any questions, why is it gone? I don't know what is wrong, but yeah, I mean, sometimes hold on. My laptop gives me a hard time. So I'll just pause here to see if anybody has any questions. Yes, we are a community. We are, definitely we are. And I would encourage all of you to please join our Discord community, because I have shared a link to our Discord on the top, and you can join our Discord community, and together we can build awesome stuff together, because it's not possible for just two of us, Anthony and I, to do everything. For that, we need you. We need to come join us and do awesome stuff. So Berto says no questions. Perfect. Well, with that, we come to the end of our stream, and I really hope that I could help you people, although I am sorry, really sorry for the audio issue. I was totally unaware of it. Had I known, then wouldn't have happened. But of course, next time, of course, will be much better because we're just getting started and, we're taking baby steps. So till then, keep coding, have fun, and keep doing awesome stuff. Do join our community. And if you want to follow us, know more about us, follow us on our Twitter handles. And yeah, so that's all. Perfect. So with this, I'm going to end the stream. Thank you so much for joining in today. Do share this video with your friends and your favorite tech people. And also, do not forget to hit a like and do not forget to share this and subscribe to our YouTube channel and show us some of your love and support, because with that, we will grow. That's all. Thank you and bye.